Hi, I'm Dave Maltz. I'm the owner of Dave's TV here in Grants Pass, Oregon, also known as Grants Pass TV Repair on YouTube. I've been in this little cubbyhole of mine for the last 22 years repairing consumer electronic equipment and primarily televisions. And it's been quite challenging with all the changes we've seen, but here I am 22 years later, still kind of scratching by. Anyway, I started making YouTube videos about 7 years ago, and my primary motivation in doing so was just to drum in a little local business. Little did I realize it would turn into quite a following on YouTube, and it's been quite a blessing. Not only has it been fun for me to share some of my know-how, but some of the people I've connected with as a result of my videos have helped me a great deal. So it's been a very synergistic relationship, and I appreciate all the support I've gotten from all of you. Anyways, for what it's worth, I hope to make a series of YouTube videos in the future, or a regular series, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. Thanks.